just like the Scotra ship who discovered the uncharted island of Korea. With the spirit of challenge for infinite possibilities, Scotra creates everything on the water. Floating PV system. The most eco-friendly energy-using water. Floating leisure facility brings new experience on the water. Scotra opens new paradigm of floating PV system. Scotra, a company specialized in floating PV system with capabilities from designing, manufacturing, and construction, as well as floating marinas, floating bridges, and floating buildings. Starting with the development of the first float in 2004, established the R&D center in 2010, constructed world's first commercialized floating PV system in 2012, largest floating PV system in 2021 at Hapcheon Dam, and floating garden in 2023 at Suncheonman Bay. Scotra is constantly striving for a better world on water with continuous research and development. With acquisition of various global patents and ISO international standard certification for quality improvement and sustainable management, and based on largest mooring experiences, technology of Scotra's floating PV system has been regarded as the world's best, and Scotra has become top leader. Scotra's float, produced in state-of-the-art automation facilities of the Smart Factory, with applying internal compartments and air pocket principle, has high buoyancy and great resistance to external forces such as ice pressure and heat that has been verified through various testbeds and own R&D center. Scotra also stands at the forefront for carbon neutrality policies with applying of 100% recyclable eco-friendly materials. Scotra, world-best company with unrivaled technical expertise, rigorous quality control, various experience, and continuous research and development. From the world's first floating PV system construction in 2012 and deepest depth mooring construction at 45 meters in dam, Scotra leads the market with largest and various floating PV installation experiences. Scotra's floating PV system combines with highly durable buoyancy body and highly corrosion-resistant alloy steel to be easily and quickly assembled and installed on the water. Scotra's engineering technology is certified by KEI for the water quality. Scotra's eco-friendly design that allows water, wind, and sunlight to pass through organically into the floating PV system, and its stability against extreme environment have been proven through various overseas projects such as Japan, Taiwan, Vietnam, and many others. A history of floating PV system is the history of Scotra. Since the first showing of leisure float in 2004, Scotra has developed various innovative products. Variety of float for customer needs are being introduced, such as general float and X-room float that is used for Korea national project. Floating marina, floating walking path, floating leisure facility, and floating building with easy installing and relocating with protecting the natural environment. Scotra builds a new world on water. Beyond reservoirs, dams, and infinite ocean, towards a safer world on the water. Scotra's challenge never stops. Everything on the water. Scotra.